Things have been going the whole time. I have no idea because my game is so dang. Throw this dang phone across the room. That doesn't mean I need your. That doesn't mean I need your input in this. Man, I hate skeletons so much. Goofball. What's the goofy things hanging? That's normal. I don't get anything from it. I know what to do that. Nobody cares right now. Does anyone even care at any time? See a creeper waiting out here, waiting to see if my dang character can go out the door. That is. You there? You there? You there, phone? Or do I have to throw you across the room? Just bought a data plan for you. I don't want to break you now, because I just bought a dang data plan for you. Yep, I knew it. I knew there was going to be a creeper out here. It's so predictable. Creepers are everywhere, especially in the places you don't want them to be at. They're just standing there, just waiting for you. It almost seems like they're just waiting for you there. Spiders, at least they aren't as hostile as creepers are. Well, during the day, that is. Tiny villager. Wait a second, I got an idea. I can make an escape hatch here. Something that could help me escape from monsters. I need an axe though, and of course, I know we got an axe. And now pick. Guys, I had another file deleted from YouTube. Now we need a pressure plate to put down right here. That would shut the gate for us. We need iron, and we do not have it. We have gold here at least. Unsmelted iron. Oh, you got it. Wait, which furnace was it in? It was in this furnace. Now just wait. They're done, and if you guys are wondering, why are you getting iron for? We're gonna make a weighted pressure plate because I don't like the normal pressure plate. They're weak. Like, you see? And now we're not escaping mobs. We can just do this. It's that easy, and then we just go in here. Easy. If you're trying to escape a zombie, though, that's a different. Cause can they both do fences also? I'm planning on fixing this too. If I do this, though, I'm gonna need to move the bed. Put a block of netherrack. This place. Don't know why I just feel netherrack. But that dumb frick placed. Like I said, if you guys don't know, Dumb Frick is the name of this character. I renamed him Dumb Frick. His name's not Jerry anymore. His name's not Jerry anymore. Wait, where is it? Don't care. Don't care. Won't ever. His name's Jerry. His name was Jerry. Now his name is Dumb Frick. I should move the bed like somewhere towards more the middle. Right here. Right here. Not there. Spider. I'll rather just go kill the spider. He dropped a string. He dropped strings. Not because of extremely ungrateful freaking spiders. It's also a better way to get in and out. My mob escape hatch. That. Oh, the brown sheep. Maybe we could start a sheep's farm. Maybe we should start a sheep farm instead of a chicken farm, because sheep, I have a feeling they're going to be a lot less stupid. First, what I need to do is I need to get some fence. I need to get some fences. Painting. Not a lot of fences. Oh, I might need more than 6. Maybe not. But I'm trying to place golden boots on the ground. And guys, I got some good news. I am now on school break. I am now on my school break. So I'm going to be uploading more for 5 days. The break lasts about 5 days. I think we can get these 2 pieces. Now we need a gate. Yeah! You can just sprint in there. There we go. Now we got an escape hatch. And a chicken. And we're gonna get a farm. Make a bow. Okay, I'll save the bow for later. But now we got some business to attend to. There we go. Pretty cute. Can you tame a mob with bread? Oops. I know wheat you can tame sheep and cow with. Come on, buddy. Here, you wanna stop opening the door. Come on. There you go. How about I place some torches down? This would also be a great way of getting wool. We've got shields. There we go. Brown. Okay. Actually, it didn't shut it there. I don't know how it shut. But now we're gonna get some more wood and we can get. Why is there string everywhere? Idiot, I didn't tell you to place it down. String, sticks, and a bow. There we go. Do we have any ammo? No. We can make some ammo though. If I just get some. I just find some gravel. We can eat now. I just need to find some gravel. Hi, baby. Sorry. I have my window open. If you don't know what the noise is, I got my window open. Let's head over here to this water. Doesn't look too promising, but at least you know we got a good sand source. I don't see any gravel. It's just leads to the ocean. Got a second sheep right here. Maybe we can. I'm trying to get a sheep back, and you're just against me doing it. So guys, it's like take a while. I'm gonna be back for you when I get this sheep in. Okay, I got a horse too. I don't want the horse right now. I want the sheep. I want the sheep. I'm not gonna kill the sheep. Ow! That horse just steal my wheat. Oh no, this dumb. Oh my gosh, dude. You know what? You can go die. I don't care how much health I lose. I don't care what it takes. I'm killing a mob that attacks me. I told you to jump, you retard. Why didn't you jump? There you go. Yeah, bed's over here. I gotta remember that. How did the skeleton get on a house exactly? Oh. Okay, let's get some wheat. 2 of them's burning. Well, I'll have to see this. You could have just went inside the house, right? Skeletons are so stupid. They don't get that one could have just went inside the house and survived. The other one could have just fallen off, took no fall damage. But he just decided to die. He just wanted to die. Yeah, of course, there's a drop anything, so I built up here for nothing. But he possibly could have. Yeah, I would have took damage. But it's only half a heart. I don't see what that skeleton is so worried about. I need to eat some. Have these carrots. Maybe I can turn the gold into nuggets. And we can fix golden carrots. Then we can make us some golden carrots. Should I call them Garrett, the golden carrot, the god carrot? What if they added enchanted carrots to the game? Enchanted golden carrots. That would be so stupid. I hear a sheep. I'm getting that sheep. Oh, I see why these things are called golden carrots now. They feel a lot of hunger. Let's get the sheep in. Hopefully I can still get it. Here it is. I want the sheep only, not the horse, just the sheep. Do you also see that village over there? Come on, sheep. Sheep. Sheep, are you blind? I'm right over here. Quick, let's get out of here. I don't really want to attract the horse either. You don't have to travel around it. You can jump 1 block high. Here it is over here. We're gonna get it this time, alright. Oh, come on! Oh my gosh. This sheep is literally stupid. There we go. We got it finally. Here we go. Let's go get a second weed and just go start breeding our sheep. Oh, thank you. Thank you. That was just rude. Okay, I don't kill you for that. Dude, that rude frick just prevented me from getting a second. Wait, that rude frick just prevented me from that. I don't know if anyone has ever cared about your ads. Probably saying if someone ever hacks a developer's account, they'll be like, I'm not gonna do anything to the account. I'm just removing ads from your game. Hang on, dum-dums. What color is it gonna be? What color? Oh, we got a little brown sheep. That's actually pretty rare. A brown sheep's actually a baby brown sheep's actually like about as rare as a pink sheep, so I should be celebrating. Like it's not quite as rare as a pink sheep, but it is about as rare as one. Dang, that old guy's just stealing all the grass. Dang, look at him. He's just chowing down on the grass. Let him have some. Can you see a baby sheep? Okay, you can't. Stop eating! Stop eating so much. If you put silk touch on a pickaxe, do you get grass from mining it? Well, grass. Why ain't the brown sheep eating anything? I have a remote here beside me. I'm just playing around with it. My mom's complaining about something. But ain't that one gonna eat? Let's see if we can breed them yet again. It's still on breed cooldown. Yep, you're still on breed cooldown. I hate these. Oh yeah, just try to eat stone, why don't you? Oh, move then! Look, the baby. Okay, the baby brown sheep just. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna end this off here, if you guys. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Leave more content like this in the future. Okay, peace out. What are you looking at?